This is a desperate waste world, except for the meteor in the sky. There is no light around, and our protagonist is a full-time scavenging little girl. She is chasing the meteor across the sky every day, rush to the location of the meteor fall, and then use the body of the robot arm to look for useful parts in the ruins. At the same time, there are more meteors falling in the sky. Before Ella picked up the backpack, she carried a heavy backpack back to the factory, going to give it to her friend, an old man. A rocket production factory here. The old man is controlling the spider robot, constantly busy. See, Ella arrived. The old man stopped his work. The operation of the robot arm one by one to see the parts in the backpack. But after checking all the parts, none of them is what he wants. The old man gave Ella a drawing. Let her look for the parts on the drawing. There is a meteor fall in the distance. Ella immediately ran in the direction of the fall. The drawings keep looking. So Ella again and again chasing the meteor. But the result is again and again in vain. See, still busy old man. Ella firmly set foot on the next chase meteor road, only to encounter a storm this time, far from lightning and thunder. The old man hurriedly called IRA to the factory to escape. Ella heart some unease. Affected by the storm, power was interrupted. But think of the old man accompanied. She still sleep at ease. The next day and left a few meteors fall. Ella is full of hope to continue her path of chasing meteors. Fortunately, this time she found a shiny part in a piece of debris. Perhaps this is what the old man wants. She took the precious parts, quickly ran back to the factory. The old man took over the parts carefully. This is the core equipment he is looking for, the mechanical heart. He immediately injected the fuel into the mechanical heart according to the drawings, and sure enough, the mechanical heart beat again. All the fuel was transported through the pipeline to the rocket body, and now the rocket can be launched at any time. Looking at the scene, Ella was surprised, but the old man did not intend to take her with him, but gave her all the drawings, and then waved goodbye. The old man drove the mechanical spider into the spaceship. As the hatch closed, the spaceship into the launch mode, Ella looked at the heart full of not giving up. With the bottom of the flame jet out, the rocket rose into the air. Like a sword pierced the dark sky. Ella understood that the drawing is not a meteor, but a rocket. With the cue sound, the old man pulled down the controller. The rocket's first stage thruster was separated, like a meteor falling to the ground. The original Ella has been chasing is not the meteor, but the falling thruster. The rocket keeps rushing into the night sky. The thruster also step by step and the spacecraft separated, until finally only the spacecraft itself. The alarm sounds everywhere, but the old man still flies the ship full speed impact. Suddenly,